So I just thought I'd do final update. Now we're at flowering stage and we're around about the 2 meters 50 mark, and yes, I am stood on a pop-up to get there. So not bad considering it's only grown in a container. Obviously I'd hoped for bigger, having seen reports that Mongolian giants can get to 14 feet, but yeah, gives me something to aim for next year. So essentially, yeah, that's final update. Won't be any more on these growing sunflowers, but hope you liked it. Yeah, so final roundup, just thought you'd like to see anyway. Yeah, any questions, just send them to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you like what I'm doing, keep subscribing and don't forget to hit that reminder button, and most of all, enjoy getting in your garden and doing what you like. Till next time, see you soon. Bye for now.